Hi there guys, I'm Greg Turnbull from Defiant Property and today I'm at 14 Brushbox in Meridan Plains. So this is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car lock-up house right in the heart of Meridan Plains. So as we come through the front door here, we're in a lovely entrance slash foyer. The first door off our left here is into the double garage. So as you can see, a nice big double garage with a room for storage over there. Through here, the next room on our right is a nice formal lounge room slash front room. It's a beautiful bright open space. Directly across that we have the master bedroom, nice big room, has its own little courtyard that comes off it, and its own private ensuite, and its own built-in walk-in wardrobe. Continue down here, we have a nice big expansive open area with a fully fitted out kitchen, air conditioning. First bedroom here, all the bedrooms have built-in wardrobes, laundry here, clothesline out the back. Through this side door here, so you can close that off for a bit of privacy. We have the bathroom. So bath, shower, sink, separate toilet, another bedroom, another built-in wardrobe. At the end here, more storage, and the 4th bedroom, again, built-in robe. This is 14 Brushbox in Meridan Plains, available for rent at $480 per week. I'm Greg Turnbull from Defiant Property and look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you guys, bye.